Hey, what's up? It's your tech bro Charlie here, and welcome back to where we take awesome out of the box. Now today we're talking about a phone that I had lots of fun reviewing. In fact, I'd say that it's a phone that's pretty much packed with fun. And we're gonna get more into that later, but we're not gonna be beating around the bush anymore. This is a video on the OPPO A94. Okay, so I'm gonna start this off by saying that the target is vloggers and gamers, and we're gonna continue on with the video so you know what I'm talking about. First off, we have the packaging. We have a minimalistic blue box with a big debossed A and OPPO A94 branding. And of course on the back, as per usual, we have some of the highlighted features. This box has more layers than the typical smartphone box, which gives you that premium unboxing experience. And by that I mean there's a sleeve on top of the real box. And yeah, under that blue and black sleeve is a plain black box with OPPO branding. Very minimalistic. But I'm guessing it's a good contrast to what the phone looks like, which you'll be seeing later. The first thing inside is the usual paper pack, containing a clear case and the usual documentation. You know, the warranty and setup guide, which again, you should never ever throw away. And under that is the phone, but we're gonna be skipping that for now. Next, we have the 30-watt charger, which features VOOC Flash Charge 4.0. Paired up with that is the usual USB-C cable, and we're going to be talking about the charging a little bit later on in the video. I'm also very happy to say that we have an included pair of earphones. And now for the design. Okay, so I really like the design of this phone. We have a sort of pink that fades into a nice shade of blue, and when light shines on it, you get this really nice effect that kind of reminds me of champagne. Some phone brands can actually get this wrong, but OPPO did a really good job making this look super premium. And of course, we have OPPO branding in silver, which also looks nice if you can see it past the fingerprints. Yeah, it looks really beautiful, but as you can see, it catches so many prints and smudges. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a doozy. Which is what the clear case is for, so I'm really glad they included this. Plus, you get more grip while you're playing games as well. Now for the sides, on the left we have the SIM tray and the volume rocker buttons. On the right we have the power button, and no, it's not a fingerprint scanner. And below we have the 3.5mm jack, USB-C port, and speaker grill. Now let's move on because we have a 6.43-inch AMOLED display. So you know you're getting deep blacks and awesome contrast. This is what I personally prefer for watching my favorite shows and playing my favorite video games. I mean, just look at these samples. The only disruptor is the punch hole cutout for the selfie camera on the upper left side. And I'm happy to report that we're getting less and less dewdrop notches. And in case you caught it earlier, the power button is not a fingerprint scanner. That's because we have an in-display fingerprint scanner hidden right underneath the display. Now for the cameras, we have a 48MP f1.7 main camera, 8MP ultra-wide, 2MP macro, and 2MP depth sensor. The photos I took with the cameras were pretty good, and I was really happy with the results. And as I usually say, good for Instagram. So if you want to follow us there, that's at Unbox PH. And if you want to follow me, that's at Cholo_Tolentino. Now for the selfie camera, we have a whopping 32MP f2.4 wide angle. And again, I'll be showing you some Instagram-worthy samples. And needless to say, I was very happy with these. And you're probably wondering why they beefed up the selfie camera so much. That's because aside from AI color portrait video, monochrome video, and AI scene enhancement 2.0, we have a brand new feature here called dual view video. This allows you to take video from both the back and selfie cameras at the exact same time. That is definitely a feature vloggers will love. If you're traveling, you can show your reactions to the sights and sounds you encounter. And if you're a foodie, people can see what you ordered and also enjoy some mukbang action. It's a really cool feature for sure, and I'm curious to see how vloggers are going to utilize it. Now we're moving on to the internals, because we have a MediaTek Helio P95 powering the phone, together with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Based on our experience and my first impressions, things ran and will continue to run very smoothly with this setup. Not only did we get a good looking display, but everything felt super snappy as well. In terms of gaming, I played a lot of Mobile Legends with the A94. I don't know if it's the phone or my skill, but I won every single game I played. Or you know, it could be my disgustingly low rank. It's really low, so I'm probably paired with some noobs, just like me. And no worries, you can definitely play games like Genshin on this as well. But of course, the full review will decide just how well the numbers stack. Now, ensuring that you enjoy a long time vlogging or playing, we have a 4310 mAh battery. And if you ever need a quick charge before heading out, we have 30-watt VOOC Flash Charge 4.0. We'll know the numbers in terms of charging speeds and how long the battery lasts in our full review, so watch out for that. But before you think about heading out, please think about your safety. It's actually getting worse out there, and the last thing I want is for anyone to get sick, so stay safe, guys. Anyway, there you have it, a good-looking phone that can take some good-looking footage. Perfect for vlogging, especially with its awesome new features, and it's a gaming phone to boot. So like I said a while ago, it's an all-around phone full of fun. So if you're a vlogger or a gamer, this one might be the one for you. As of the making of this video, we don't know the price just yet, so watch out for our site's announcement when it drops. And that website is unbox.ph. You can check out reviews on this and many other gadgets there as well. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. That's right guys, subscribe, because when we hit 250k subs, we're giving away a smartphone. So don't forget to hashtag sub2unbox. Also, don't forget to hit the notification icon if you want to get them updates when we drop the videos. Once again, it's your tech bro Cholo, and I'll see you guys in the next one.